Have you ever imagined creating amazing videos with just a simple text command or a reference image? Well, that's exactly what Kling AI is doing. This artificial intelligence is taking video creation to the next level, offering features that were once unthinkable. But what makes Kling AI different from other AIs? How is it impacting the creative industry? And could we be looking at the ultimate future of content creation? Stay until the end because you'll be amazed at what this technology can do. What is Kling AI? For those who are not yet familiar, Kling AI is an advanced AI-powered creative studio developed by the Kuaishou team, one of the leading technology companies in China specializing in short-form video platforms and AI-driven content generation. It leverages cutting-edge models like Kling and Colors to generate and edit videos and images with remarkable quality, making it one of the most versatile AI tools available today. This tool enables anyone, from casual users to professional content creators, filmmakers, and digital marketers, to transform ideas into highly realistic and immersive visual content. Unlike traditional video production, which requires advanced skills, expensive software, and powerful hardware, Kling AI simplifies the process by allowing users to generate cinematic quality visuals through text prompts, reference images, and even motion inputs. Whether it's short-form videos for social media, high-quality animations, AI-assisted storytelling, or even full-scale cinematic productions, Kling AI is revolutionizing the creative industry by making video creation more accessible, efficient, and cost-effective. Its ability to mimic artistic styles, apply dynamic visual effects, and maintain scene consistency sets it apart from many competitors. Unlike traditional video editing software that demands hours of manual effort, Kling AI allows users to create professional-grade content in minutes, drastically reducing the time and resources required for high-quality video production. Additionally, Kling AI stands out for its ability to generate seamless, extended videos of up to 3 minutes, a major advantage over many other AI video generation tools, which often struggle with maintaining continuity, character consistency, and fluid motion across multiple scenes. Its intuitive interface and AI-driven automation significantly lower the barriers to entry for video creation, enabling independent creators, businesses, marketers, game developers, educators, and even news agencies to produce stunning visuals with minimal effort and maximum creativity. Beyond just entertainment and social media, Kling AI is also being explored for commercial applications, digital marketing, virtual reality experiences, and interactive storytelling. Brands can now create hyper-realistic ad campaigns, educators can generate engaging e-learning content, and filmmakers can experiment with AI-assisted pre-visualization and scene generation. By combining speed, quality, and accessibility, Kling AI is setting a new standard in AI-generated media, allowing users to push the boundaries of storytelling, advertising, game design, and digital creativity like never before. The main innovations of Kling AI. But what truly sets Kling AI apart from other AI-powered video tools? First, it allows users to create videos from text prompts, reference images, or even motion inputs, making the process incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. Unlike traditional video editing, which requires extensive manual work, specialized software, and long rendering times, Kling AI automates the entire process, transforming simple ideas into stunning, high-quality visuals with just a few clicks. This makes professional-grade video creation accessible to beginners, independent creators, and even large production studios looking to speed up workflows. Another key differentiator is video resolution and length. While many AI video generators are limited to short clips with inconsistent continuity, Kling AI can produce full-length sequences in 1080p resolution and extend creative content for up to 3 minutes while maintaining smooth transitions, coherent storytelling, and fluid animation flow. This is a game changer for creators who need longer, more dynamic content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even professional advertising campaigns. The ability to generate extended sequences with consistent characters, natural movements, and well-structured narratives sets Kling AI apart from competitors that often struggle with frame coherence and scene transitions. Beyond just generating visuals, Kling AI excels at understanding complex prompts and seamlessly integrating multiple concepts, styles, and themes into a single video. Many AI models fail to maintain logical consistency between different elements, resulting in disjointed or unrealistic outputs. However, Kling AI's advanced deep learning algorithms and neural rendering techniques ensure that characters, objects, lighting, and transitions blend naturally, creating highly engaging cinematic storytelling experiences. It can even adapt to different artistic styles, offering flexibility for animation, live-action synthesis, and hybrid AI-generated content. This level of AI sophistication makes Kling AI a powerful tool not only for content creators and influencers, but also for businesses, advertisers, educators, filmmakers, and game developers looking to enhance their digital storytelling in ways never before possible. Whether it's creating AI-powered commercials, educational explainer videos, immersive brand storytelling, or interactive cinematic experiences, Kling AI is redefining the boundaries of AI-generated media and digital creativity. How Kling AI is transforming the creative industry. So, what does this mean for the entertainment industry and content creators? The answer is simple: more accessibility, faster production, and unlimited creativity. In the past, producing a high-quality video required expensive equipment, skilled editors, and long hours of work. Now, with Kling AI, a single person can generate stunning, professional-grade videos in a matter of minutes. No advanced editing skills required. This dramatic reduction in production time and cost is a game-changer for small businesses, influencers, and even large studios looking to streamline their creative workflows. Independent creators can now compete on the same level as major content producers, unlocking new opportunities in digital media. Beyond social media and marketing, Kling AI is poised to revolutionize industries like advertising, education, and even filmmaking. Imagine AI-powered commercials created in real-time interactive educational content that adapts to students' needs, or entire movie scenes generated by AI, all without the traditional constraints of high production costs and complex post-production work. With its blend of automation, high-quality visuals, and creative flexibility, Kling AI is not just another tool. It's a paradigm shift in how digital content is created and consumed. Kling AI vies other artificial intelligence tools. So how does Kling AI compare to other AI-powered video tools? When we analyze it alongside platforms like Runway, Pika Labs, and Sora, some key differences become clear, especially in terms of video length, quality, and accessibility. Both Runway and Pika Labs are great for generating short, stylized video clips, making them ideal for quick creative projects, motion graphics, and AI-assisted animations. However, their limitations become apparent when creators need longer, more fluid, and coherent storytelling. Kling AI stands out by offering the ability to generate extended videos up to 3 minutes, while maintaining smooth transitions, consistent character details, and high-quality animation flow. This makes it an optimal choice for content creators, marketers, and educators who need longer-form AI-generated content without compromising narrative structure or visual continuity. On the other hand, Sora, developed by OpenAI, is currently one of the most advanced AI video generators in terms of realism, physics accuracy, and lifelike animation quality. However, its biggest drawback is its lack of public availability. As of now, it remains a closed tool with no clear release date, limiting access to only a select group of developers and researchers. Kling AI, in contrast, is already accessible to anyone looking to experiment with AI-powered video creation right now, allowing creators to push the boundaries of digital media without waiting for exclusive access. Beyond just video length and accessibility, Kling AI also provides a user-friendly interface, advanced customization options, and a deep learning system that can interpret complex prompts more accurately than many competitors. It ensures that characters, movements, and lighting remain consistent across multiple frames, a common challenge for AI video tools that often generate fragmented or incoherent sequences. With its unique balance of usability, high-resolution output, seamless storytelling, and extended video capabilities, Kling AI is rapidly emerging as one of the most versatile and powerful AI tools for content creation available today. Whether for social media, advertising, digital marketing, filmmaking, or education, Kling AI is helping users bring cinematic quality ideas to life faster and more efficiently than ever before. Challenges and limitations. Of course, no technology is perfect, and Kling AI is no exception. One of its main challenges is the credit-based system, which can be a barrier for users who want to create frequent content without spending too much money. While this model helps sustain the platform's computing resources, it may limit accessibility for independent creators who require high-quality videos on a regular basis. Additionally, like all generative AI tools, Kling AI still faces some technical limitations. Some facial expressions, complex movements, and intricate details may not always be rendered with full accuracy, leading to occasional unnatural visuals or inconsistencies. This is a common challenge in AI-generated media, as achieving lifelike human motion and nuanced emotions requires immense computational power and advanced machine learning models. However, the good news is that Kling AI is constantly evolving. The platform receives regular updates and improvements, making it smarter, more precise, and more powerful with each iteration. As AI technology advances, these limitations will continue to shrink, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI-driven video creation. Conclusion: the future of video creation is here. At the end of the day, Kling AI represents another significant leap in the revolution of artificial intelligence. It allows anyone to create high-quality videos quickly and accessibly without requiring advanced technical knowledge or expensive equipment. Whether you're a content creator, designer, educator, or someone exploring new forms of creativity, this could be the tool that completely changes your game. With its ease of use, impressive video generation capabilities, and automation, Kling AI is making professional-grade video creation more inclusive and streamlined than ever before. As AI continues to advance, it's exciting to think about the future of digital content creation and the many ways AI will reshape storytelling, advertising, education, and entertainment. However, there are still questions about the role AI will play in the industry. While AI can enhance workflows and assist creators, will it eventually replace human editors altogether, or will it remain a complementary tool in the creative process? Many industry experts believe that AI is more likely to complement human creativity, providing tools that augment and accelerate the creative process, rather than replacing the human touch that brings unique emotional depth to the work. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think of this technology? Do you believe that AI will fully replace human editors, or will it just be a tool to enhance their work? Leave your opinion in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on artificial intelligence and technology. I'll see you in the next video.